Today we learn how to turn any photo into sketch in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now, desaturate image by pressing Ctrl+Shift+U. Again, duplicate the layer. Invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Right-click on the selected layer and convert it to Smart Object. Change blending mode to Color Dodge. Now, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select proper value of blur for your image. And it's done. You can see how perfectly this method converts the photo into sketch. Subscribe to our channel Edited World for more tutorials.